Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystical Annie. So, today we are going to do monthly reading for Capricorn for the month of December 2025. I'm sorry, I'm really late in uploading the videos. I was having bad throat and cold, so I couldn't do the reading and upload the videos. I'm really sorry for the delay. Okay, so let's see what do the cards have. This is a general reading, guys. Please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. So let's see what do the cards have here for Capricorn for December 2025. Overall energy for Capricorn for December 2025. What's the overall? Oh, wow. Okay, great. Let's see. All right, let's see what are the key challenges we have for Capricorn. Key challenges or obstacles for Capricorn in December. Key challenges for Capricorn in December. Key challenges for Capricorn in December. Key challenges we have for Capricorn in December. What are the key challenges we have for Capricorn? Please clarify. Five of Swords. Key challenges. Okay. All right. Sorry. Let's see what are the actions or advice we have for you, Capricorn. Actions or advice we have for Capricorn in December. What are the actions or advice we have for Capricorn in December? What are the actions or advice we have for Capricorn in December? Actions or advice we have for Capricorn in December? What are the actions or advice we have for Capricorn? Okay, I think one card flipped. Okay. Now let's see what are the strength and opportunities we have for Capricorn. The strength and opportunities we have for Capricorn. What are the strength and opportunities? Okay. Okay. All right. Bottom of the deck we have the Hermit card. Okay, so bottom of the deck energy is basically your subconscious energies or energies you're dealing with lately, or you're not actually sharing it with others. Okay, so I see that you are you need to, if you have not, then you need to isolate yourself or go into solitude so that you can listen to your inner voice. Okay, आपको आउटसाइड बाहर की दुनिया का शोर आपको नहीं, उस पर ध्यान नहीं देना है. रैदर यू नीड टू फोकस ऑन व्हाट योर सोल इज ट्राइंग टू कम्युनिकेट, व्हाट योर सोल इज ट्राइंग टू से. ओके, you need to connect with yourself, you need to work on your freezed emotions. Okay, अगर आप अपने emotions for whatever reason अगर आप share नहीं कर पा रहे हो, so you need to release those emotions which are stopping you from being you. Okay, it can be something which was painful to deal with, it can be something you are not it can be an emotional trauma also for some of you, I'm getting. So you need to release those frozen emotions so that it can help you to move on. All right, उस तरह की energy मुझे दिख रही है Capricorn for you. Okay, and that somewhere it's continuing in December also, I'm getting. Okay, you might feel left out in the cold, you might feel that you don't have that emotional support, you don't have that you don't have that connection where you can be you. There are people are not there who are understanding you or supporting you. You might feel emotionally, physically drained, left out in the cold, and not having that that bond, that connection in your life where you are feeling loved and having that warmth. Okay, उस तरह की energy है. For some of you, I also see that there can be some financial, little bit of financial challenge in the month of December. You might undergo or feel like you are going through a financial challenge. Managing your finances can be a challenge also for some of you. Okay, so just don't give up, try to change your perspective and keep going. Okay, don't give up, keep going, and things will definitely things will definitely get better. Okay, this can be also because of your past, I was saying, right? Something which is hidden deep down, so something which is which is popping up in your mind. It can be childhood trauma, emotional trauma, past relation trauma if you have any. So उस तरह का है, जो जो आपने जो पहले एक्सपीरियंस किया है ना, वो चीज़ बार बार पॉप अप हो रही है आपके माइंड में, विच इज़ समवेयर नॉट एबल टू लेट यू थिंक क्लियरली कि मुझे ये करना चाहिए या नहीं, मुझे ये डिसीजन लेना चाहिए या नहीं, मुझे किसी पे ट्रस्ट करना चाहिए या नहीं. इट कैन बी ट्रस्ट इश्यूज ऑल्सो फॉर सम ऑफ यू, राइट? सो उस तरह की एनर्जी है. इट कैन बी, आई एम गेटिंग इट स्ट्रांगली दैट इफ somebody has approached you or has come with a love offer in your life, and you are, because of the past traumas, you are not able to decide whether you should accept that or not, is also I am getting. And because of that, you are not, you are also feeling that you are isolated and nobody is there to guide you. Okay, what you should do, what you should not do, and because of that you might be feeling left out or not having that bond or that connection in your life. It can be anything basically. This is a general reading, so I am seeing there are scenarios. It can be in any area of your life. Okay, ये energy हो सकता है. So just try to overcome your fears, try to connect with yourself and understand what your soul is trying to say. Okay, listen to your inner voice. All right, sorry. Now the key challenge here for you is, again, you need to be careful. You need to understand what kind of energy or what kind of people you are dealing with. Okay, the people who are genuinely true to you, are you dealing with them, or you are dealing with someone who are just wearing mask of being a friend, or really the one who care for you, but they actually don't. Okay, you need to understand the vibe of the person, the energy the person is having for you, the intention the person is having for you. Okay, just try to keep yourself away from fake people. Okay, जो सिर्फ आपके आपकी परेशानी को सुन के कोई हेल्प नहीं करते, बट सिर्फ सुन के चले जाते हैं, एंड समवेयर दे आर हैप्पी दैट यू आर गोइंग थ्रू द चैलेंज. अगर उस तरह का आपका कोई कनेक्शन है, आपको लगता है कि आपके कनेक्शन में कोई ऐसा पर्सन है जो हु इज जस्ट पोर्ट्रेइंग टू बी having that care, concern for you, but they actually don't have, just try to keep yourself away from them. Okay, and things, you might feel that things are not moving how at a speed, what speed they should. Okay, थोड़ा सा, as I said, कि थोड़ा सा challenging time हो सकता है, but चीजें move होंगी. थोड़ा slow move हो सकता है, but things will move. Okay, so don't give up, keep going. You will definitely have the support. I also see that there is a very strong chance for you to understand the energy, or the people you are dealing with. Okay, not everybody you trust is trustworthy. Okay, that is also I am getting here. So try to understand what kind of people. It can be in your relation, it can be in your workplace, it can be anywhere basically. Okay, so just try to uh, keep your things to yourself, and don't share your important things with anyone blindly. Don't trust anyone blindly. Just surrender to the universe. Universe will work. You have the support of the universe, but it's taking time. Sometimes things happen as per the divine timings, right? So you cannot push certain things, right? So just try to keep that in mind. Thoda sa slow movement hai, but things will change. Okay, eventually things will change, things will get better. Thoda sa tough time hai, so utilize this time to connect with yourself. Okay, to understand what you really want. Okay, now the action or advice here is, अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान हो ना कि you are having so many options. For example, आपके पास 3 से 4 जॉब ऑफर है, एंड नाउ you have to clearly decide. आपको हर सोर्स से जितना ज़्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन मिल सकता है, आप उतना ज़्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करके, एनालाइज करके, चीज़ों को ऑब्जर्व करके फिर डिसीजन लीजिए. ओके, everything that glitters is not gold. Keep that in mind before you make any decision. Okay, अगर आप if you are planning to get married and you are having couple of proposals, so जो don't just get, attracted by the looks. Okay, that is what I would say here. So try to understand, keeping your, your ultimate goal in mind. Listen to your intuition and then decide. Okay, because there is growth coming in, but at the same time you have to be very careful with the choice you are making. Okay, because there is growth in your workplace. I see there is recognition coming in, there is growth coming in. For some of you, I see you are getting married also in December. I'm really, I'm clearly seeing that for some of you. And I also see that, you might plan to start something. If you're planning to start something of your own, you may have couple of options. I can start something, maybe on social media, or I can, start some other activity of my own, like a business, a side hustle, something like that. So आप जिस भी चीज को, आप extra focus कर रहे हो, और there are chances of you getting distracted. So don't try to, बहुत ज्यादा चीजों में मत उलझ जाइए, एक एक चीज करके एक एक चीज पे फोकस करिए. ओके, उस तरह की एनर्जी है. दैट इज व्हाट द मैसेज एडवाइस हियर आई हैव फॉर यू. ऑल्सो द एक्शन इज, अगर आप अपने किसी प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर रहे हो, यू आर लीडिंग समथिंग, देयर आर वेरी गुड चांसेस दैट यू विल गेट द सक्सेस एंड पीपल विल सेलिब्रेट फॉर योर सक्सेस, योर ग्रोथ. ओके, देयर इज growth coming in. That is, there are very good chances of seeing the positive results of your hard work. Now, the strength and opportunity, Capricorn, I see that again the universe is giving you the opportunities for your growth. Okay, you need to grab that opportunity. जो भी challenges आपके, whatever you will come whatever challenges will come in front of you in December, you will overcome those challenges, and it will give you more, experience. It will make you more experienced, more wise, more authoritative. बट एट द सेम टाइम आपको इस चीज़ का ध्यान रखना है कि आपको बहुत रूड नहीं होना. आपका, मेल वर्जन बोलते हैं ना कि दोनों, एक पर्सन के दो ट्रेट होते हैं, मेल एंड फीमेल दोनों. तो आपको बैलेंस करना है दोनों चीज़ में, राइट. तो आपको किसी भी एक चीज़ को हावी नहीं होने देना है बहुत ज़्यादा. लाइक द मेल अथॉरिटेटिव थिंग, आई एम नॉट, सेइंग, आई एम नॉट हियर क्रिएटिंग अ डिफरेंस इन मेल और फीमेल. नो, आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू से कि बैलेंस योर बोथ. वो तो शिव शक्ति वाली एनर्जी है, आप उसको बैलेंस करिए. ओके, जस्ट ट्राई टू कीप दैट ऑल्सो इन माइंड, एंड यू विल ओवरकम ऑल द चैलेंजेस जो भी है. ओके, यू विल बी हैविंग दैट फाइटर एनर्जी ऑल्सो, आई एम सीइंग, एंड यू विल, आपको पैशनेट होने की जरूरत है. यूनिवर्स विल गिव यू द अपॉर्चुनिटीज, and if you need to first of all grab it, and you need to work towards your goal with passion. Okay, अगर आप किसी प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर रहे हो, don't procrastinate it कि I'll take care of it later. No, prioritize it. If it is important, if it needs your action right now, try to take that. Okay, try to take the action, and you will see the growth, you will see the rewards. Okay, so this is a reading I have for you, Capricorn. The month looks a bit dicey, but you will overcome the challenge. Okay, don't let your fear overpower you. Keep going, don't give up on any time, on any situation. Keep going, and you will definitely get the reward, you will definitely get the success. So please claim the positive energy from this reading, Capricorn. If you have liked it, please do like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.